Hello children, welcome to St. John's High School's online class. How are you? Hope you all are fine and healthy. This is our first lesson of social studies and I am your teacher, Patricia Romnick. Our topic is the earth and the environment, and this is part 1 of the lesson. Look at the Earth's planet. It has different amazing characteristics according to the landforms or climate. If you see at the planet Earth, you can see the most of the area is covered with water and rest of the area is dry land. When we talk about regions, regions are the big area which have common features. So regions are divided into more different types of climatic and landform regions. As you all know, that regions are the area which have common features. They are based on two types of divisions: climate and physical features or landforms. Climatic region is divided into two regions: hot climatic region and cold climatic region. We all know that area where there is snowfalls or snow is falling, or most of the time winter season is longer than the summer season, they are cold climatic region. And the area where there is rainfall is scarce and little rainfall, and summer season is longer than the winter season, that is hot climatic region. The landforms or physical features are further divided into different types of physical features, and in Pakistan there are different features are located in different parts: mountains, plateaus, deserts, plains, delta. These are different type of physical features. Look at this picture. This is the picture of mountains. You can see how they are. Mountains are a huge landform which is raised above from the surrounding area, and it has a steepy form, very high, and sometimes when there are one type of mountains are located in one line, they are called ranges. So where there are mountains, they are called mountainous regions. Now look at this picture. These are not like mountains, but they are leveled on the surface. They have their level surface, and they are called plateaus. A leveled area which are raised like mountains and bigger than hills, but they are not like mountains. They have leveled area, or in other words, they are also called tablelands. See this picture, it's not like mountains or plateaus, but it's a level land all surrounded by sand and looks very dry, very small vegetation, and because there is no rainfall, that's why we cannot grow any crop over here. So it's not good for plants or animals or human beings. Look at this one. This is a beautiful picture of landform which is called plains. It is a leveled plain which is all looks very green. Mostly they are having fertile land, and we can grow crops, and good for vegetation, good for human beings, animals, and some of the plateaus are also very green, and because they are leveled and people can grow crops over there. Look at this picture. It's all different from the other landforms, and it is called delta. Delta are wetlands that forms as rivers empty their water into another body of water, such as an ocean or a big sea. So delta forms when river moves very slowly on a level surface, and as it nears its mouth or ends and forms the shape of D, that is why it is called delta. Now let's see where all these different landforms are located in Pakistan. Look at the map of Pakistan. Here the different provinces are shown in 4 different colors: Balochistan, Sindh, Punjab and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And in the surroundings, the other countries are also shown. China in the north, Tajikistan is also in the north, Afghanistan in the west, Iran is in the west and southern area, then India is in the east, and Arabian Sea is in the south. We have to see where all these 5 different physical features which we have just learned about, where they are located. Mountains are in the northern areas and some are also in the western area also. Plateaus, the Potohar Plateau, we will see where Potohar Plateau. Deserts in the Sindh and Balochistan and in the Sindh and in the Punjab also. Plains, the Indus Plains and in Sindh and Punjab. Then delta in Sindh coastal area. Now look at this one. Here we can see a mountain all covered with snow, and this lies in the northern area, in the north of Pakistan. It is the part of Karakoram range, and it is called K2. In the map you can see where K2 is located. Not only this Karakoram range, we have 5 different other ranges also lies in Pakistan. We can say Pakistan is home to many mountains, and they are located in the northern and they are called northern and western mountains because they are located in north and in west. K2 is the part of Karakoram range and its height is 8,611 meters. Now look at this picture. Here you can see a mountain, but not very high, but it has level surface. So it is the picture of Potohar Plateau. It lies in Rawalpindi, Attock and Jhelum district in Punjab province. The other plateau is in Balochistan, you can see in the map, and that is called Balochistan Plateau. Now see the deserts. Here the pictures of 2 deserts are shown, Thar Desert and Thal Desert. Thar Desert spans an area about 1,75,000 square kilometers and covers a large area of Pakistan and Sindh and India. It is the largest desert of Pakistan. Then Thal, it is situated in Punjab, located between Jhelum and Sindh rivers near the Potohar Plateau. Now let's see some other deserts also. Look at this map. Here 4 deserts are shown. Thar Desert, as we have come to know about the Thar Desert, where it is located. Number 2 is Cholistan, number 3 is Thal, and number 4 is Kharan, which is in Balochistan. The two deserts of Pakistan, Thar and Cholistan, they are extended into India. And over there it is called Greater Thar Desert or Rajasthan Desert. See the plains of Pakistan. The Indus Valley Plain is a flat landform in Pakistan. Most of it lies within Punjab and Sindh. But they are divided into three types or into three locations. The Upper Indus Plain, which begins from Attock to Mithankot, then the Lower Indus Plain from Mithankot to Thatta, then the Indus Deltic Plain from Thatta to the Indus region of Rann of Kutch, near the coastal line of Pakistan. Now see delta. As I told you that delta is a place where the river enters its water into the sea. So over here the Indus River Delta forms where the river Indus flows into the Arabian Sea. Together with the rivers Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, Jhelum, Beas, they all form the Sapta Sindhu, the seven rivers, and delta it is called. In the Sindh province of Pakistan it is called Deltic Plain. Here some of the pictures of Deltic Plain where you can see where the river is entering into the Arabian Sea. Then other pictures where you can see some people also. In the part 2 we will read about the people, what they do in different land areas. So that's all from lesson 1, part 1. That's it. Thank you very much. This is your home task. You have to write about the regions, what regions are, and then you will write some of the names of the regions which are located in Pakistan. You have to make a list. So children, thank you so much. Now take care of yourself and stay safe wherever you are. Don't go outside. Wash your hands regularly whenever you go out and come back. You wash your hands. Try to keep yourself clean and healthy. Wear mask whenever you go outside and stay healthy. Thank you.